Hello everyone, my name is Idowu, aka Chef ID, Chef Nobu, MD CEO, Nobu Kitchen Professionally and Event Management. I'll be teaching you on how to make the yummiest Nigerian pop with just three ingredients guys. This is my first video on YouTube guys. Show your dad some love. Comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's jump right. Okay, guys, the first thing to do is to sift your flour. As you can see, I've already sifted this flour. So now mix your dry ingredients together. This is our salt. This is our sugar. This is our powder milk. This is our nutmeg. Mix dry ingredients together, guys. Make a hole in the middle and add your warm water, lukewarm water, but tap water. But I'm going to get some. I got this water from my dispenser as well. So you add the water gently, mix together. When you're mixing, you mix fast so it doesn't get stiff. You want a fluffy, yummy fluffy puff puff. We don't want a stiff one. So because we are mixing with warm water, our dough, our puff puff dough must be lighter than usual. So this consistency is okay, but I want a lighter consistency, and so that the puff does not, we don't wait more than 15 minutes, highest 20 minutes to fry. So this is the consistency we are looking for, guys. So the next thing to do now is to cover the puff. So guys, this is the right consistency we are looking for. It is not watery, you see. This is just the right consistency, and you don't have to wait more than 20 minutes for this to rise. I forgot to put on my apron, guys, so I have to do that so I get it. See? So we'll wrap so that air does not penetrate. And use your kitchen scissors. So guys. And let this rest for 20 minutes. I forgot to add yeast, so I quickly remembered after 5 minutes. So I have to mix it with a little bit of warm water, so it can still work. So and let it rest. So this is after 20 minutes. So you deflate the hair out of the batter. You can see that there are bubbles in the puff, so the puff is ready to fry. But guys, one thing I want to do is I want to pour. Let me quickly pour inside this plastic rubber bowl, so that when I'm cutting the puff in the oil, I get to cut it well in this bowl. In plastic, instead of glass, since it's not even much. So let's just quickly turn it into this plastic. Okay, so guys, make sure your oil is at least 3 meters deep, and cut your dough very fast so that it can rhyme, and make it so that it can fry at the same time, and then the corner would be golden brown together, not one black, some black and some golden brown. Okay, so you have to be fast about it. And make sure you cut. Well, just cut, even if it doesn't form. But you know, as a proof, as a chef, mine will be of course round. But don't worry if yours is not that round. Just cut. All right. So this particular recipe of puff puff is my best actually. I really don't like puff puff that has pepper mix inside. No, I don't. I prefer the one without pepper. But some people love their puff puff with onion and pepper mix. I don't. So guys, comment, drop your answer. Do you like your puff puff? Do you like your puff puff with onion and pepper mix? Please drop your answer in the comments box, guys. So now you begin to flip, not flip, turn. So because it's round, you know it's already turning. They are turning. Most of them are turning themselves. There are some puff puff that are stubborn. So don't worry. Even if your puff puff is not evenly golden, like maybe one side is brown and the other one is kind of white, don't worry. By the time you take them out, it will blend. All right. So don't you love how beautiful this puff puff is, guys? You're looking pretty. You're looking pretty. Guys, like I said, this is my first video ever on YouTube. Please do well to support your girl. By liking this video, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and let me know how you love your own puff puff. Is it with or without onion and pepper mix? Please drop your comment in the comment box below, guys. Drop your comment in the comments box below. What we are looking out for is golden brown. We want golden brown puff puff, guys. this puff puff is looking really beautiful, guys. This puff puff is really looking beautiful. So guys, this is our end result. Did you enjoy this video, guys? Even though it's my first video, did I try? Please comment yes or yes in the comments section, comment box, guys. Please comment to encourage your girl, and let me know if indeed you like how easy it is to make this yummy, creamy Nigerian puff puff. I can't wait to have a taste, guys. To have a taste. And it's yummy. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more of this content.